Smile to Jenya.
The floods in Pakistan have been devastating. A third of the country, the size of Britain, has been affected. I'm working with One Ummah who have a 100% donation policy and are currently on the ground to ensure your money is spent well. Donate via the link below. Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah. We all know the madness that's going on in India and the Hindu extremists that are oppressing the minorities, especially the Muslims there. But what we've seen recently is that it's now spilling over into the UK as well. What do I mean? In Leicester, after a cricket match, some Indian fans were going around saying death to Pakistan. Yeah, and then they spotted a couple of Pakistanis and beat them up. Now this is a big problem, yeah, because in India, you know what you guys do? You can hide behind Modi, you can hide behind the media, you can hide behind the hateful mobs that go around lynching people and boycotting people and stuff like that, and I'll get to that as well, yeah. But here in the UK, this is different. Like, when's the last time you heard of an Indian gang? Like, it's Pakistani gangs, and in the UK it's peak. Like, it's going to be peak for you guys. It's my sincere advice to you that you guys, humble yourselves. Yeah, because if this goes out, like, it's going to cause issues. Yeah, it's going to cause issues for you guys because the Pakistani gangs over here, they get a bit nuts. You know what I'm saying? And with this, it's going to be you guys with your, like some of these fans, you can see they're on some serious vegetarian diet. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just seeing bones. Like, it's just going to be a walkover. It's going to be a walk in the park, mate. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm in the park as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get this through to you guys. Like, don't do this. Yeah, for your own good. Yeah, and this is actually crazy, and it's delusions. It's delusions because in India, they're in the echo chamber. They've got the media, they've got the news, they've got Bollywood now as well, and they're pushing their own thing forward, and even international governments aren't getting involved. But when you bring stuff over here, it's different. Like, look, if there's a Hindutva or right-wing BJP guy here who's up for it, come, no problem. You can challenge me to a boxing match as well, no problem. Yeah, even if you look at my wrists as well. Yeah, look, I'm a small guy. I don't work out. I mean, look at me. Yeah, like, look how skinny I am. Now, in 6 months, I would get in shape just to get into a boxing with someone who thinks that the BJP and this whole Modi party is the way, mate. The one who's defending them, the one who's like, yeah, get those Muslims, no problem, mate. Yeah, you can challenge. Muhammad Hijab will be ready, Ali will be ready, anyone. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like that's the confidence that we have. Now, what's ironic, and this is the thing about boycott that I wanted to say. Amir Khan, who's one of the 3 King Khans, yeah, in India, his latest movie Lal Singh Chadda has been boycotted and has now been declared a flop. Why? Because of 2 main things. Well, primarily because he's a Muslim, but they're taking out clips where, number one, he's apparently mocking the Hindu faith in one of his movies, but then after that he released another movie, Dangal, which was a super hit. So, I mean, why didn't they attack it there? It's because now people, the hateful Hindus are becoming emboldened. Yeah, they're a majority now. So that's why they feel that they can do this sort of stuff. And there was another clip that they keep playing of him where he's saying, look, with this hateful groups that are coming up, it's very difficult to live in this country. And this,
how dare he say this? How dare? Apparently it's the biggest democracy in the world, but how dare he express his opinion about hateful groups in our country?
It's such a weird response of the biggest democracy in the world. So what a strange reaction to the biggest democracy in the world. And now Pathan of Shah Rukh Khan is going to be coming up in January, and people are getting ready. And the people that are in the field, they already know. They already know that it's because he's a Muslim. It's because he's a Muslim, yeah. But people can't reveal their names. In this Al Jazeera article, you can see that, and there's people that are higher up. You know what I'm saying? Like, they've already admitted, and they've already said that. And the Khans are being attacked. Why? Because Bollywood is, let's face it, one of the last strongholds that the Muslims have. You know what I'm saying? So that is now what's coming under attack. They're using any excuse.
So the movie is this, or the movie is that.
No, it's because he's a Muslim. Yeah, so guys, let's bear this stuff in mind and keep our brothers in their du'as. And if these guys are ready for fisticuffs, you know, let's come in the boxing ring, no problem. I advise you guys to humble yourselves and not to bring your baggage over here as well. All right, guys, let's leave it there until next time. Assalamu alaikum.